Okay, so I just picked up within a couple of seconds of where we left off on the previous clip, and we'll watch the rest of this sequence. This thunderhead has just been targeted. We can see the outflow ring, that pressure wave that's generated when the microwave transmitter hits that area of water vapor and superheats it. So these terrorists that are controlling our weather are systematically stopping precipitation, either with these transmitters, with the chemtrails, and of course the ground NEXRAD transmitters. And those are all coordinated together. As we can see, that thunderhead's rebuilding. They always do. This goes on all day long. I'm going to pan to this other area of thunderheads real quick, and we'll see what's going on here. This is actually rebuilt, and this will be blown apart here any second. Let's capture that. Let's watch that. This guy here is just about to be, if he's, looks like it's just been hit. Keep an eye on that one. And again, this is a standard definition camera, DVD quality video, 480 line. This camera does have a 2000x zoom, a digital zoom. It works pretty good. I just need a better tripod that doesn't squeak and has a much smoother pan and tilt. This is quite amazing. They're letting, these people are letting that thunderhead develop. Let's have to see how far this one is allowed to build. Quickly, I'm going to pan over here and we'll see with that blast ring on the other system right there. Right out of the south side. You can see that right there. Alright, now I'm going to get back real quick. Keep an eye on this guy right here. close-up shot. I can get in even closer. Come on, jeez. Top of that cloud is probably approaching about 40,000 feet. It let that one build up pretty good. Over here to the right, we can see that the very top of this guy here has just been hit. Right off to the left of that peak, there's a blast ring starting to appear. Maybe a little hard to see. I think I could zoom in on it. Right there, pretty much dead center, where that little backwards L. Okay, now we can see the side is starting to blow out on this thing here. We'll keep it tuned right here. There's a ring forming at the very top, right near the peak. We'll just get a good close-up of that. Alright, so that's how it's done. This is starting to collapse. One on the left that's much higher. It appears to be much higher. It was targeted. We didn't see the blast pattern though, but that was probably on the back side. Sometimes we don't see the evidence. It may be around on the back side, the north side of that big thunderhead there. Okay, so I'm going to get this video back home and try to get it processed. Okay, that's it.